Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Recently in our Telegram channel, we had conducted a poll asking our students if they would be interested to learn option trading from us. Around 1800 students participated in the voting. In that, 98% of the students said they would like to learn option trading from us. So my team and I decided to create a free option trading course just for you. Option trading is a very tricky and complicated concept. The goal of this channel is to explain complicated topics like this in a very simple manner so that even a beginner can understand this concept easily. In this free course, you will learn all the concepts related to option trading in a very simple and effective manner. To make things easy for you, I have divided this course into 6 lectures. From today, you will receive one video every day for the next 6 days exactly at 8:30 p.m. So please ensure that you are subscribed to this channel and make sure you press the bell icon to get notified as soon as we upload the next lecture. I'm very sure that once you complete the 6 lectures, you will have all the knowledge that you need to do option trading. Now traders, without further delay, let's get into the first lecture. Traders, first let us understand what is option trading. I will explain this to you with a very simple real world example. If you understand this, you can easily understand what is option trading. Okay? Now let us say there is a person called Rakesh and he is interested to purchase a health insurance. So he reaches out to an insurance company to purchase this insurance. This insurance company tells Rakesh, "Sir, we have an offer for you. If you just pay a premium of 10,000 rupees, you will get a health insurance coverage of 2 lakh rupees. And this insurance is valid for 1 year. So anything happens to you in the next 1 year, our insurance company will cover this expense for you up to 2 lakh rupees. Okay? Rakesh feels this is a very good offer. So he goes ahead and purchases this insurance. In this example, Rakesh is the buyer of the insurance company is the seller, and his health insurance is the instrument traded. Correct? Now, this 10,000 rupees premium will go to the insurance company if nothing happens to Rakesh within the next 1 year period. He will not get this money back. But in case anything happens to him during this period, then the insurance company has to pay that to Rakesh. This is how health insurance work, right? What is Rakesh trying to do here? He is trying to protect himself from future financial risk by purchasing an insurance just by paying a small premium amount. So traders, this is exactly how option trading works. In option trading also, there will be a buyer, there will be a seller, there will be an instrument which is traded, there will be an expiry date, there will be a premium amount. To effectively trade in options, you will have to learn all of these topics. In this free course, you will learn all of these topics. By the end of this course, I'm very sure that you will have all the knowledge that you need to trade in options. Why was option introduced? Traders, do you know why was option introduced? Options was introduced to act as a hedge to protect the investor when there is uncertainty in the market. In my previous example, Rakesh used health insurance as a hedge to protect himself from future health risk, right? Same way, an investor uses options to protect himself from future risk which may occur in the stock market. Now please see this example. During this recent COVID-19 situation, the market significantly fell, right? Many of the investors used options to protect his investment by buying a lot of put option as a hedge. The profit which they made by buying put option acted as a hedge and protected their capital investment. Now I know a lot of you who are watching this video, you're not here to learn how to use option as a hedge to protect your long-term investment. Rather, you are here to learn how to trade in option on a short-term basis and make consistent profit, right? So in this free course, our complete focus will be in discussing topics related to option traders who are interested in intraday and short-term investment in options. Okay? Traders, Just like the insurance example we saw earlier, to trade in option, there needs to be three important things. One, we need a financial instrument. Now, the most traded financial instruments are Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks. Second, we need a buyer to buy these financial instrument. Third, we need a seller who needs to sell these financial instrument. Apart from these three things, there are other important concepts which you need to learn to effectively trade in options, like what is expiry, what is lot size, what is strike price, how to choose the correct strike price, what is the difference between option buyer and option seller, what is option chain data, how to do option chain analysis. These are very important concepts related to option trading. Now, if I discuss all of these topics at once, it will be very difficult for a lot of beginners to follow. So, what I have decided is to divide this course into small parts. I have created a dedicated playlist in our YouTube channel. I will leave a direct link to this playlist in the description box, or I will pin this link in the first comment of this video. From today, that is 5th May 2022, I will upload one video every day for the next 6 days. Now traders, I highly recommend you watch these videos in the same order as per the playlist. Now ensure that you are subscribed to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out when we upload our next video. Now traders, don't worry, it does not matter if you do not have any knowledge about option trading today. But I promise you, by the end of this course, you will learn all the topics related to option trading. There will be no requirement for you to watch any other videos apart from this playlist. Now it takes a lot of time for me to create such courses for you. All I ask you in return is to motivate us by liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Now that's all for this video. I will see you in the part 2 section of this course.